Have you ever had a dream that left you wondering what it could possibly mean? Dreams can be mysterious and often leave us feeling confused or perplexed. But did you know that many common dreams have specific meanings and can offer insight into our subconscious? In this video, we'll explore 5 common dreams and what they might mean for you. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes as we unravel the mystery of your dreams. Dream 1. Falling. The falling dream is a common one, and it can be pretty unsettling. The dream of falling often symbolizes a loss of control or a fear of failure, and also represent feelings of insecurity or vulnerability. Carl Jung, a prominent psychoanalyst who introduced the Jungian dream theory, which is also the idea that dreams reveal important information and can be an essential part of the development of personality, believed that dreams about falling were compensatory. Someone with too high of an opinion of themselves may have dreams of falling, i.e., being brought down to earth. On the other hand, Sigmund Freud, another well-known figure in the history of psychology, saw falling as symbolizing giving in to sexual temptation. Whether you're a Jungian or a Freudian, sleep analysts believe that these types of dreams can also be caused by letdowns and disappointments, especially by things you had high hopes for. Also happen when you feel like you have no support, either financially or emotionally. Dreams about falling are common for people who suffer from depression. See, dreams of falling come in many forms. There are those where the dreamer never falls from something, but is instead falling throughout the dream, or falls from trees, cliffs, buildings, or in a lift. Each type of falling dream has its own meaning, which we will uncover for you to understand what the meaning is behind your falling dream. For instance, you may see yourself falling from a cliff. These types of falling in the dream would indicate you are stressed over something or someone. Another variation of falling dreams include dreams of tripping that can represent a fear of falling behind. Whether this is at work or in life, more generally, trips represent setbacks or fear of making a mistake. We often use the term slip up or tripped up when we've made a mistake, which is closely connected to the dream meaning. Some people see themselves falling from the sky in their dreams. Now that typically represents a sense of being out of control and may indicate that you are worried or torn between something. This type of dream is most likely to happen when you're going through a significant life change. Another variation of a falling dream is when someone sees themselves falling in a lift or down a lift shaft. This is probably the most troubling of the falling dreams and the one demanding the most thorough inspection. The combination of a loss of control and being confined can indicate a severe loss of self-esteem, control, or a plunging mood. Many of the falling dream meanings seem to imply that there is an unacknowledged loss of control, causing subconscious anxiety. For that reason, reflection on what that loss of control could be will be the best response. Let's move on to the next common dream. Dream 2. Being chased. Dreaming about being chased generally means that you are being told by your unconsciousness that you're avoiding an issue or a person. In such dreams, context is essential, which includes identifying the chaser. Who is chasing you matters. Is it a male, female, animal, or an unknown being in the darkness? According to sleep analyst, running from something or someone in a dream happens when you don't handle something right away. People who tend to avoid confrontation at all costs have this dream a lot. It may also be caused by procrastination. Dreaming about being chased could also come from a feeling of intense anxiety experienced during the day. Scientists have speculated that dreams about being chased could be a kind of practice of escaping from predators. Over a lifespan, if one didn't have a dream about being chased, it would be very unusual. Are there any unresolved issues or problems in your life that you're avoiding? If so, it may be time to address them and find a way to resolve them. Dream 3. Teeth falling out. Anyone who's had a dream about their teeth falling out can attest that it can be a stressful and even disturbing experience. You might wake up in a rush and run to the bathroom to make sure your teeth are still accounted for. This dream can indeed be unsettling, so it's natural to wonder what it could possibly mean, even more so if it's reoccurrent. Well, one reason may be rooted in reality. Actual dental irritation could be the cause of dreams about losing your teeth rather than psychological distress or sleep quality problems. And if there's not a real dental issue going on, then you should understand that a dream that involves part of the mouth, especially the teeth, could be connected to communication issues in real life. The teeth are meant to remain fixed in our mouth, so when they fall out in a dream, it is most often the side effect of loose speech in real life, allowing something out of our mouth that should have stayed put. Another common element of this type of dream is being concerned about your appearance. Apart from these reasons, if you're curious about how to interpret a dream about your teeth falling out and what may be causing it, you must evaluate: are there any situations or relationships that are causing you to feel insecure or powerless? If so, it might be time to address them and take steps to regain control. Indeed, there's some scientific evidence to suggest this dream may be linked to anxiety or psychological distress you might be experiencing. Dream 4. Cheating. Dreams about you or your partner cheating can be jarring, but they're not uncommon. Approximately 23% of US adults have dreamed about cheating, according to a Sleep in 2020. Sleep analysts say that it's indeed one of the most common dreams people ask them about, especially in the cases where one spouse has been infidel in the past. The other spouse or partner seeing this kind of dream could be an indication of trust issues that need to be worked out. These dreams do not mean that your partner is cheating on you. However, it does mean you are feeling there is some sort of third wheel in the relationship, and it could also mean that your partner is giving too much time and attention to something that isn't you. That something doesn't necessarily have to be a person. Maybe they are invested in their work or games or even sports, and you're feeling left out. This could be the reason of such dreams. On the other hand, if you are the one cheating on your partner in the dream, it could be about a new element in your life that your subconscious feels is taking away from your relationship. Dream 5. Being naked in public. Next common dream that most people have is when they see themselves being naked in public. This shame response is at the root of most interpretations of dreams of inappropriate nudity. While some dreamers may have insecurities about their bodies that are reflected by such a dream, even dreamers that are happy with their bodies may experience them. According to Amerisleep's 2020 survey, 12% of dreams revolve around being naked somewhere. This recurring dream is typically connected to something in your daily life that has left you feeling embarrassed, scrutinized, or vulnerable. The biggest element of this dream is your concern that all eyes are on you. During these dreams, the dreamer is usually anxious about being naked, but no one else seems to care, which is basically the subconscious trying to assure you that you're giving it more energy than it deserves. Dreams of nudity in new or unfamiliar environments can also indicate that you're anxious about an upcoming change of circumstances, which can be related to work, relationships, travel, or anything else in which new territory could represent a cause for concern. Are there any situations or relationships that are causing you to feel exposed or vulnerable? If so, it may be time to address them and take steps to regain control. And there you have it, 5 common dreams and their meanings. Remember, dreams can be complex and often have multiple meanings, so it's essential to take into account your own personal experiences and feelings when interpreting them. If you're experiencing distressing or reoccurring dreams, it may be helpful to speak with a therapist or counselor who can help you understand and work through these underlying issues. It's also important to know that the meaning of dreams can change over time and may be different for each individual. The interpretations provided in this video are general and may not apply to everyone. In any case, it's always good to pay attention to your dreams. They can give you insight into your subconscious and can help you understand yourself better. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.